Hello guys, in this video we'll monitor our DHT11 readings of temperature and humidity from our AWS. So let's get started. First we'll go to our AWS, search IoT code, go to manage all devices, things, create things. I want to create for single thing, so I will select create single thing, click on next. We'll name it as DHT11, click on next. Skip creating a certificate at this time. We'll select create thing, and we've successfully created our DHT11 MQTT server. Go to settings, copy endpoint. Let's go to our Smowcode studio and get started. We'll create our flow. To connect with MQTT, we need to connect with our Wi-Fi first. So we'll take a on start event node. We'll take Wi-Fi start node to connect with Wi-Fi. We'll configure our Wi-Fi. Specify Wi-Fi SSID. Wi-Fi password. In the output we'll get success code. After we connect with Wi-Fi, we'll connect with MQTT. To connect with MQTT, we'll take a MQTT connect node. Connect with the flow. In MQTT connect node properties, will configure broker. Paste the copied endpoint here. Click on add and done. Now we'll make flow to read the DHT11 sensor readings and will publish on our MQTT server, and will also make the flow to subscribe the MQTT server and will read the readings of our DHT11 from there. So let's make the flow. We'll first take a on interval node. We'll keep interval of 5 seconds. We'll make Wi-Fi start node output parameter success code as a global variable, so that after Wi-Fi is connected successfully, then only we'll send the then only we'll publish our DHT11 sensor data. So go to globals, click on add. When the success code is 1, it means it's not connected yet, and when it's 0, it means our Wi-Fi got successfully connected, so our initial value will be 1. We'll take DHT11 node, make the flow. In its properties, we'll configure DHT11 node. We'll select pin, we'll specify pin 13. In the output, we'll get temperature parameter and humidity. Click on done to display our DHT11 readings on OLED display. We'll take a OLED clear node. We'll configure our OLED. Our SCL pin will be on 19 and SDA pin 22. Click on add and click on done. The output we get from the DHT11 its data type will be number, so we have to convert it to text so that we can pass that variable to our OLED print. So we'll take a convert to text node, connect with the flow. In that we'll select number to text, and here we pass our variable temperature. In that way we'll get two parameters, converted text and converted number. We'll rename our converted text variable as temperature. Click on done. We'll take one more convert to text node. Here select number to text, pass humidity variable. Here we'll rename the converted text variable as humidity. Humid. Let's rename it as humid. Now we'll connect our OLED clear black node. Let's take a OLED print draw node. Connect with the flow and its property. We'll select the OLED config, shape type text. Here we'll pass our variable temperature, variable temperature. Its x-axis will be 0 and y-axis will be 0. Take one more OLED draw node. Connect with the flow. Here we'll say our x-axis is 0 and y-axis will be, let's take it as 10. Our shape type will be text, y-axis 10, text color white, and here we'll pass a humidity variable. Click on that. We have successfully created the flow to display our DHT11 readings on OLED display. Let's create a flow to publish the DHT11 data of temperature and humidity. So we'll do branching here. Let's first take a MQTT publish node. We'll connect it here. So after every interval of 5 seconds, our DHT11 flow, no, it won't come here, sorry, my bad. In MQTT publish node, we'll select MQTT broker config, we'll specify a topic, smoke, and message. In message, we'll pass our variable temperature. We can also make a JSON object to pass an MQTT publish. So let's create a JSON and then we'll pass it to MQTT publish. Means we'll publish to MQTT server. So we'll take a set value. No, JSON set. We'll take a JSON set node. Connect with the flow, and here JSON object key will be our temperature, data type will be number, and here we'll pass our variable temperature, and in that way we get the JSON format data in JSON format. Click on done. Again, take one more JSON set node, connect with the flow. In the properties, in the JSON object will pass the temperature data in JSON format, and in the same object will set a new key and value, which will be humidity. Data type number and value humidity. We'll pass a humidity variable. In the output, we'll get data in JSON format of temperature and humidity. We'll rename the object as DHT11. We'll take a MQTT publish node to publish our DHT11 data of temperature and humidity. We'll select our broker config. We'll specify our topic Smow. In the message, we'll pass our JSON object DHT11. In the output, we'll get success flag. Click on done. We'll take a MQTT subscribe node to get the published data from MQTT server. We'll select a broker config. We'll specify our topic Smow. In the output, we'll get two parameters, message and success flag. We'll take a display node to print message on our serial display. We'll pass our variable message and click on done. Let's save the flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. Now go to AWS, go to MQTT test client, and we'll subscribe our topic Smow. Subscribe the topic. Yeah, I have already subscribed, so in here we get to see our DHT11 data in a JSON format. Go to serial display, and our Wi-Fi got successfully initialized and connected. Yeah, so as you have subscribed, so I got some data LED1 on of subscription, and this is the data we got from our AWS. As you can see, we got our temperature and humidity data.